Bible says that when you're looking at your tongue, it's like a rudder. Now, a rudder is the thing that steers a boat into directions. Wow. This is so profound. A rudder steers a boat into direction. Now, without a rudder, the boat cannot be moving into a direction that makes sense. The boat will end up on rocks whilst it's supposed to go at sea. And the only time it needs to come closer to rocks is when they dock.